Hey guys, today we're going to make a part 2, just like my comments said, right here, Nathan Machado, and he was just asking me, so I decided to make a part 2 for this, and please subscribe and leave a like. Now we're gonna start with we're gonna go with Visual Studio Code. And then I know I'm trying to make a sidebar. So wait, I'm just trying to put updates. Okay, now I'm gonna come right here. You see this? We're trying to combine both of them. So let me come right here. Let me come right. So this is it. So like open it. Open it like so. It's like this, and you can see there's 3 icons. I want to combine this one and this one together, and this is gonna be the X. Okay, it's just we want to combine this together. So what we do is come right here, style the CSS. I know we have to do this, and then we made a knife bar. You could copy this along while I'm doing this, and then you could just pause the video. So what we do, let's say we say, let me just go check. I got it right here. Label for check. We can say label I bars. Maybe label I BTN. So label BTN. So BTN. And then what you do is to what you do is make it like not like we connect it to that one. So what we do is go to the checkbox also. So we come here, put a comma, and say checkbox, or like we come right here, and it's the ID is check. And we go down. Then we say that we want to connect them together. So you come right here, you get over here and say check. I know it's not functioning really well what I'm doing. I'm sorry. So now label BTN check. We want to make it not visible, so we say color. Boo! I know you're there. Color white. And then now you can see it's invisible. So check. And checked. And yes, checked. If we put like, if you mean like this, just looking at it. What is that swirl sign? Oh, there it is. Oh, okay. I get it. If you like put like this one, and then you put the background color, it'll be like just normal. So it's mischecked. So its check is mischecked. So it's not checked. It's gonna be the background color. Background. Or we come right here, and then we go to the body and say ID. And we say quartz. What? Quartz. Okay. Again. So when it's not connected, it's gonna be like this. But when it is checked, so we're gonna do a check sign, a check, and then we do. So it's gonna be like this, and it's gonna be checked. And then we do space, and then we're gonna say background color 000 black maybe, or 000 black. Okay, now save this, and then save this one, and this is a Visual Studio Code, and then when you do this, something is wrong, anyways. Okay, something is really wrong. Yes. And then, okay, I guess it's not the right time to do this. Okay, I'll just end this video. Next time I'll continue from here and fix my things. So this is like a part 2.5.